So, akong topic is, where did the first Catholic Mass take place in the Philippines? The popularity of knowing has been an easy way to trivialize history, but this case study will not focus on the significance of the Philippines. Ang kasikatan daw sa pagkahibalo kung asa unang nahitabo ang kasaysayan, ang kasaysayan kay mas dali na para himuon og trivialize. Pero sa case study, wala daw nag-focus sa lugar kung asa daw nahitabo ang unang misa sa Katoliko sa Pilipinas. Butuan has long been believed as the site of the first Mass. In fact, this has been the case from 3 centuries, culminating in the erection of monument in 1872 near Agusan River, which commemorates the expedition, arrival, and celebration of Mass on 8 April 1521. The Butuan claim has been based on the rather elementary reading of primary source from the event. So dugay na daw gituhan na ang Butuan ang una nga lugar nga gikuanan sa mesa. Pero naa daw case sa 3 centuries sa paghuman daw og erection monument atong 1872 dapit daw sa Agusan River nga naghandom sa pag-abot sa celebration sa misa ni adtong April 8, 1521. Ang Butuan daw is nagabase lang sila sa pagbasa gamit ang elementary reading of primary sources from the event. The end of the 19th century and the start of the 20th century, together with the increasing scholarship on the history of the Philippines, a more announced reading of the available indents was made, which brought to light more consideration in going against the more accepted interpretation of First Mass in the Philippines, made both by Spanish and Filipino scholar. The end of the 19th century ug pagsugod sa 20th century kauban ang paghuman sa scholarship sa kasaysayan sa Pilipinas. Mas daghan pa daw sila gihimo na basahon para magamit nilang ebidensya na madala nila sa kahayag or dugang konsiderasyon. Mas gidawat og nagdugay ang First Mass sa Pilipinas nga gihimo sa mga scholar sa Espanyol ug Pilipino. There are only 2 primary sources that historians refer to in identity, the site of the first Mass. One is the log kept by Francisco Albo, a pilot of one of Magellan's ship Trinidad. He was one of the 18 survivors who returned with Sebastian Elcano on the ship Victoria after they circumnavigate the world. So, naaday two primary sources that historians refer in identifying the site of the first Mass is the log. Then the first Mass is si Francisco Albo. Si Francisco Albo is mo ni siya ang pilot of mo na siya ang isa sa mga pilot ni Magellan sa ship Trinidad. He was si Francisco Albo is isa siya sa mga 18 ka survivor nga nibalik sa Sebastian Elcano on the ship Victoria after the circumnavigate the world.